It is known that IT recruiters are always on the hunt for developers, but once in 100 years is the developer who wants to apply for a dream job. And it is not a scientifically proven fact. For those situations, take this piece of advice from us, recruiters, of what we think makes your resume stand out. First of all, we like to know the person behind the IT knowledge. A brief description of who you are, what you do, and what you're looking for will be highly appreciated. Mentioning your past work experience is also a good idea. What you did, where, for how long, which challenges you faced is valuable information for clients and recruiters. But keep it short. Don't forget to add your speaking and written English skills. And if you're still a trainee or a junior, showing something from your portfolio would be excellent. Last but not least, it's good to detail all your background of technological stack. Clients, technical leaders, or recruiters always will appreciate if you have a code to show. Are you ready to try?